What's up guys, Alex here, and today we will be unboxing my friend Kyle's new indoor cleats. These are the Nike Magistas. Nice dark green all on the upper, and a nice volt in black on the dynamic fit collar. We have a black Nike swoosh, and we have a lunar line sole, which could help for when you're running and moving around. We have Nike swoosh on the bottom. Really nice outsole, so you could run really good. Just a basic lunar line insole for the Magista. I have ACC, all condition control, which is known for the newer Magista models. Did you get both of these out? Really nice looking boot. It also comes with a black bag that has a Nike swoosh on the front with white, and on the other side we have a Nike football in white. So that concludes the unboxing for my friend Kyle's indoors, and I'll show you pictures on those in a second.
Let me show you all the way.